Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So I've got the ingredients here on my counter to throw together a delicious Alabama sweet pecan bread. Now I know that if you live in the South, especially Alabama, you probably say pecan. But growing up here in West Virginia, we said pecan. So whether it's pecan or pecan, it doesn't really matter. This is a delicious, moist and nutty bread slash cake that is perfect for breakfast, for a snack, or dessert. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. But we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cream together 1 stick of butter that is at room temperature with 1 cup of sugar. All right, then I'm going to add 2 eggs. Scraping down the sides of the bowl. Then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, again, I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. All right. And I'm going to fold in 1 cup of chopped pecans. Okay, then I'm going to pour the batter into an 8x8 square baking dish that I have lined with parchment paper. All right, I'm just going to spread it out. All right, then bake in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes or until you can insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. So my sweet pecan bread has come out of the oven and I have let it cool a little bit. Now I'm going to lift it out of the pan and place it onto this board. So obviously you can just leave the pecan bread in the baking dish. I just wanted to take it out for presentation. I did have to use my spatula to help slide that paper out from underneath. But now I want to just take a little bit of powdered sugar and give a light dusting over top of the bread. And isn't it beautiful? Now it's time to cut a slice. You guys got to come check it out. Oh yeah, this cake is so light and fluffy and moist and nutty. Oh, you are going to want to make this. It is just so delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.